Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to cover internal tables in SAP ABAP. In the previous lecture, we have seen about different events in table maintenance generator. So basically, internal tables are the collection of records which stores the data temporary. In the internal table, data is been stored temporary and it is used to read the tables in record by record process. It reads the data record by record. So here's a syntax for internal table like data, mention the table name like table of and work area. And the syntax for work area is data, mention the work area, type and structure name. So we have three different types of internal tables like standard table, sorted internal table and hashed internal table. So let us see difference between all of them. So in the standard table, it accepts the duplicate records, whereas in the sorted table, it may or may not accept duplicate record. But in the hashed table, it do not accept any duplicate records. Also in the standard table, fields are non-unique, whereas in a sorted table, we can have at least one, there should be at least one unique field. And in the hash table, we must have one unique field compulsory. So also in internal table, the data is been inserted using append keyword. In the sorted, insert keyword is used, and in the hash table, collect keyword is used to insert a data. Whereas for a searching record, it is a linear search in standard table, and it is binary search in sorted table, and it's an hashed algorithm is used for a search record in hashed table. So this is all about the internal tables and three different types of internal tables. In the next lecture, we are going to see about the different types of tables in SAP ABAP.